In this video, I will show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So if you want to do that, you just need to convert your cryptocurrency into flat currency like USD or European dollars, and you need to send your token to a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So to do that, we have in here our Phantom Wallet. So you just need to copy the exchange wallet address of your Binance, for example, and then after that, click onto the send option and then just choose in here what you want to send. For example, let's choose Solana and then add in here the username or address of that wallet. You just need to copy it and then paste it right here. So for example, let's paste it wallet right here. After that, click onto this next option right there and then just choose in here the amount that you want to send. And then once you have done that, just head over and then click on next. And once it's on your Binance, you can head over and then withdraw it from there.